So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your bro Nai here. Today I'm gonna teach you a few tips in Dragon Mania Legends. It's a great game where you have dinosaurs. You can collect all your different type of dragons. It's really cool, and I'm gonna teach you a few tips about it. And now what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna collect all the coins of my dragons. So the first step, how to upgrade your habitats. So you'll see this green arrow right here, and there's an option called upgrade, and then it'll see what is inquired in the upgrading system. So there's also one thing I noted. So in your habitats, if you click your habitat, on the side will be a little coin bag. If you click that, you get all of it. So now one more thing, you can actually click a dragon and you can swipe it. If you swipe it, it'll give you gems, coins, and everything. So that's one thing's cool. And then I'm gonna collect these coins. And then there are food habitats. So I'm just gonna get some food, and then it's gonna load. And then there's actually something up here. It's a book binder. So my dragons are going to be here. If you go to something called my dragons, these are all the dragons I have. Collection. So this is my collection where I normally get all my dragons. And that also comes here. And actually there will be something right here. So you have both of these, and you can click on one of those, and then it'll come for free, and then it'll come to your hatchery, and then you can just do it. And now I have a dragon right here, and now I'm going to place it in his habitat. So let's see. It's a common dragon. Good. And now you can collect all the coins, everything. And as you can see, you have everything. So I'm gonna breed 2 dragons. There's a breeding section right here. You can breed any dragon. So the first one I would recommend for you to try would be fire, and let's go down. This one, and then you can breed them. It has a really I already have that dragon. Let's change it. Let's try Ange, and then let's breed them. I already had the first dragon, but still I just wanted a lot of more dragons to make it more cool. So how to upgrade your dragons by itself will be good. So as you can see, you have this little button right here. You can click that button, and there will be so many. And then I'm going to choose this dragon, and now I'm going to upgrade that dragon. And now there's a button right here. Let's click that, and then it'll start upgrading your dragon. And now I'm going to go to battle. There will be a section called battle right here. And now I'm going to teach you how to get past this level 39. So let's get right to it. I might die because I don't have really strong dragons. But I'm going to look for, where is that guy? Oh, there he is. And change him with, where is he? The level 20 dragon, Jerry. And now we're gonna battle. And now make sure you touch the green to hit the dragon's own die. He poisoned me. He's almost dead. He killed my dragon. Oh no. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. He poisoned me. Look at this guy. Yes! I won. And now you'll get reward. And now we have all of these. And then one thing, you have a side, like you have a battle on the side. Where is that guy? And then you can click that one to also battle these guys. And now I'm gonna battle these guys because I haven't done it yet. So I'm gonna click one. Yes. He's not that strong. I missed. We did it, yes. You won't get a lot on these levels because they'll only give you things like these. But that's okay because you have other battles you can also do it on. And I'm going to claim this reward. And I'm going to upgrade one of my habitats. Upgrade 10, upgrade. And now he's ready. Well, thanks. And now as you can see, he reached level 2. And now from level 2, he'll go to 3. And then he'll get stronger when you upgrade him. But you still can feed him if you want to. And there's actually one more thing I want to talk to you about. So there's actually something right here called the leaderboard. And there's actually a arrow right here. You click that arrow and then you can visit their section, but you cannot enter their real place. But if you click visit, you'll see how many dragons they have and what they have. And now it's loading, it's loading. And as you can see, this guy is a pro. He has a lot of dragons, more than me. And then if you want to compare your dragons, you have a red and button right here. Like screen froze. Just wait. Oh, it's restarting. How come that ran away? So hey guys, I had some difficulties. So my screen froze and it just was kind of hard to get back. But now I'm back, so that's good. And now I'm going to restart the first thing that I did for you guys. So you have something like a book with a magnifying glass. Click that. It's on the side of the screen. You have something called a leaderboard actually. And then you click the real leaderboard and you have all these people who also play Dragon Mania Legends. And this is me. This is me. And I'll put this in the description down below so you guys can play with me. And I'm almost with you guys. And there's actually, if you go up, there's actually a guy named Safe. He's one of my friends. There's actually an arrow right here. You click that and you can visit their island, but you can't go in their island. You can just see their island, but they'll not know that you're in their island. So you can click visit. It's loading. It's gonna take a little. Okay, so as you can see, she has a gold place. And oh, that was actually a good idea. I didn't even know about that. This is all her islands. And then this is also one of her islands. And it's... So hey guys, I'm really sorry. I can't do it for you guys. I'll come back with you guys for another video. It'll be in part 2. Please follow me. I'll put my link, my name in the description down below. Please play with me, and thanks for watching guys. Please hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.